ganun yung setup ko. Parang, di ba, nakakaano talaga, nakaka-drain ng utak. G, yung tanong mo is kung may baby na kami ni Mr. Most Filipino women are very, very bad. In the end, it's all gonna be worth it. Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you guys are doing well. So welcome back to our channel, and today we have another topic to talk about. And before we start, I will going to read some comments from our subscribers. So we have here the comment of Miss Babette Balaba 8020. Sabi niya, hello Ate Noy, I love your video, more videos. I have also BF from Alice, Texas, US. Hindi din ako nanghingi pero bigay naman para sa anak ko. I have one daughter, Sisi. So shout out to you, sis Babette Balaba 8020. Thank you for watching our vlogs. And another comment from Sis Arlene, live in Washington State. Big shout out to you, sis, and thank you so much for the support. And sabi niya, very good topic, sis. Dapat di talaga magbulag-bulagan sa mga red flags. Great tips, sis Rhea and Cory. Congratulations, you're almost halfway to the 1K sub requirement, and you did it in just 3 weeks. Yeah, thank you so much guys for all your support. I would not be surprised if you hit the goal sub and WH by end of January. So by the way, we are already like almost 600 subscribers, and we are so happy. Thank you so much guys. Hope you will continue to support us until we reach the 1,000 subscribers and our watch hours requirement from the YouTube. So guys, thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe and give us a like and share our videos. Thank you so much. So big shout out to you, sis Arlene from Washington State. Thank you so much, sis. So, hoping magkita tayo next time or soon if makapag bisita kami or makapag travel kami dyan sa Washington State. And next comment is from Lisa Marie Gunos. Sabi niya, hi new subscribers here, suggest lang mag straight Tagalog ka na lang po. So shout out to you, and thank you so much for watching our vlogs. Sorry kung hindi ako magaling magtagalog kasi nga sa taga Iloilo talaga ako. Galing ako ng Iloilo. So our dialect is Hiligaynon. So Ilongga ako. So not really fluent in Tagalog. May mga words na hindi ko siya ma-express kasi nga hindi yun kinalakihan ko na dialect. So sorry kung hindi mo ako maintindihan. And then, minsan nagtataglish ako kasi I speak like English, and I'm trying to learn. I learn also Spanish here because over here in America, we do speak two language like English and then Spanish. So, naguguluhan ako kasi ang hirap switch ng language from English to Tagalog, and then nagbibisaya din ako or nag-iilonggo ako. So parang nagmi-mix yung utak ko guys. So pagpasensyahan nyo na kung hindi ko talaga minsan masabi yung exact word or parang naguguluhan ako sa mga sinasabi ko kasi nga 'di ba ang dami kong salita like sa trabaho, English and Spanish. So, parang naguguluhan ako. And then, pagdating ko sa mga Pinay na kausap ko is Tagalog. And then, pag nag-uusap kami ng family ko, syempre, Bisaya or what we call the Ilonggo or Hiligaynon. So, ganun yung setup ko. Parang, 'di ba, nakakaano talaga, nakaka-drain ng utak minsan. So, sana maintindihan mo and sorry for that. But, I will try talaga na mag-speak ng Tagalog. And then, at the same time, English kasi nga English yung language dito sa Amerika. So, anyway, shout out to you. And then, next comment is from Kevin Mikkel. Commented. Sabi niya, I live in Scotland. Love your vlog po. Thank you so much for watching and shout out to you. Shout out to you from Kevin Mikkel in Scotland. So, may taga Scotland pala tayo na nanonood. And then, ito, may nagtanong dito, may nag-comment dito na, anong pangalan ito? MG or MG commented. Sabi niya, congrats my baby, congrats my baby na po kayo. May baby na po kayo. So, MG, yung tanong mo is kung may baby na kami ni Mr. Opo, meron kaming baby. Kaso lang 4 babies. Mga 4 babies. 3 pusa yung baby namin. Pero yung baby talaga na sanggol or anak, wala pa kaming anak ni Mr. Hoping magkaroon na at biyayaan kami soon. And thank you for your comment. And shout out to you. So, yun lang yung mga comments so far. Meron pang nag-comment pero next time naman yun isi-shoutout natin. So far, yun lang yung mga comment na na-screenshot ko guys. And next naman tayo magbabasa ng comment or mag-shoutout ng mga viewers at subscribers natin. So, yeah. Before we proceed to our topic, for those who did not subscribe yet, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and then please give us a like and share na din guys. So yeah, thank you so much. So our topic for today is how to choose the right Filipina to marry. And here are some factors to consider. Are you looking for a true love in the Philippines and thinking of marrying her? Or you're already in a relationship with Filipina and wasn't sure if you're gonna marry her or not. Well, today we are going to talk about choosing the right Filipina to marry, but I can't tell you who to choose or to marry since you guys are all adult and it's your own personal decisions. So, before we proceed to the topic, by the way, my name is Noy. And hope you guys are doing well, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will be discussing a very important topic regarding of marrying a Filipina. As we all know, the Philippines is a beautiful country with rich cultures and traditions. And Filipino women are known for their beauty and kindness and strong family values. Choosing a Filipina to marry is a big decision that requires a careful consideration because marriage is a lifetime commitment. So, I just want to point out some factors to consider in marrying a Filipina and for choosing an ideal one for you. Number 1 factor is it is important to get to know the person, consider your own values on what you are looking for a partner. Know your own priorities and what qualities of a Filipina you are looking for. So, yeah. Filipinos are known for being hardworking and career-driven. Most Filipinos are family-oriented and known to have their strong religious beliefs. I am one of them. Charot. Number 2 factor is communication. Effective and constant communication is very important to keep your relationship strong and healthy. It is very important to look for someone who is willing to listen and express herself clearly and understand each other clearly. It is very important to look for someone or find someone whom you can understand and speak the same language that you are speaking to to avoid misunderstanding and language barrier. So you should consider that factor also. And always make sure that you have the same point of view or perspective when it comes to important matters or important topics like marriage, family, and of course, your finances. That is very, very important. If you're an expat visiting the Philippines, it will be helpful for you to learn basic Tagalog phrases to make your communication easier when you are interacting with locals. So maybe start learning basic Filipino phrases like simple, hello, magandang umaga, kamusta po kayo, salamat po, walang anuman. Yeah, that's some of the examples of the basic Tagalog words or phrases. So yeah, start doing that so you will familiarize some of the Filipino phrases. Third factor is spending time with your potential partner, with her family and friends, because in Philippines, family is such a big thing, so you should consider that factor. Filipinos have a close family ties and tight-knit community. So most Filipino women are very, very family oriented. Getting to know your partner's family and friends will help you understand their values and beliefs. And it will help you determine if you are compatible with them. And having a good relationship or a bond to your partner's family and friends will make your partner comfortable and secure in your relationship. But it is important to set boundaries and set your limits when it comes to financial and resources with your partner's family and friends. 4, it is important to have a compatibility and chemistry with your partner, and make sure that you have a common interest and habits, and always choose someone who you wanna be with, whom you are happy to be with all the time. Lastly, number 5 is to take things slowly and not rushing it, because as what I have said, marriage is a lifetime commitment and it is a sacred decision that you have to think million times. It is not just like a clothes that if you don't like wearing it, you can change it right away, but it is a lifetime commitment with your partner. So it is important to consider, and it is important to build a strong foundation. And yeah, and it will lead to a good relationship and lifetime partner. Choosing a Filipina to marry requires a careful considerations, a lot of patience, understanding, and of course, a lot of efforts. But in the end, it's all gonna be worth it. Yeah. So based on our experience, yeah, it was all worth it. And my husband is very, very happy with me because I am the right Filipina that he chose to marry. And before you marry the Filipina, or before getting to the relationship, you have to get to know the person very, very well. Yeah, so that's all for the factors that you have to consider when you are looking for a Filipina to have a relationship or true love, or you want to marry her. So get to know her, and good luck to you, and hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, give me a big thumbs up. So yeah, well, thank you so much for watching our vlogs, and thank you so much for the support, and I wish to see you soon, guys, and have a merry, bright, and jolly Christmas and happy New Year in advance. Ho ho ho. Bye.
Blame this one for all the kitty little mess.
Hi baby. This is our baby.
Yeah, this is one of our babies. This is Izzy.
This is another baby right here. Baby.
Then we got Minnie. We got Minnie. Say hi. Say hi.
Where's the mamas? Let me get the mamas. Go get the mamas.
I'll get the mamas.
We got 3 kitties, guys.
And then
Look at the camera. Say hi, everyone.
and we got Molly.
Our second baby. Cute. We love kitties. Show them your color, Min. May name yan siya, guys. Ayan, oh. Minnie. And then yung number ni Cory din. Say hi, everyone. Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye. Have a nice day, guys.
Have a nice
We love
day.
you all.
Bye bye. Thank you for
See
watching.
you in our next one.